And let's welcome aboard the Soul Train a very lovely and talented lady who will probably long be remembered as one of the most important artists of 1976, primarily as a result of a sensational album and single on the Casablanca label entitled Love to Love You Baby. Her name is Donna Summer. I understand that you were a successful recording artist in Europe for some time before Love to Love You Baby hit here in the States, and originally from Boston, right?
Yeah.
And how long did you live in Germany?
8 years.
And you kind of still do, in a way?
I still do. I have one foot in this door and the other foot in the other door.
I see. Where were your albums gold in Europe? And how
Holland,
many?
In Holland and Belgium, there's two.
Mm-hmm.
Holland, Belgium, and, well, a silver one in France.
Yeah. What decided you to do a song like Love to Love You Baby?
Well, it's a long story. I don't think we have time to go into it now, but...
We got about 10 seconds.
Oh, 10 seconds. The Urge.
Yeah, it's a great song. And you have a new album also.
How you like that?
These kids are quicker than I am, obviously.
You better be careful.
What's the title of the new album?
The title of the new album is Try Me, I Know We Can Make It.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. Haven't heard it, but I've heard about it, and we'll be looking forward to hearing from you on it. Like to see you again on Soul Train real soon, Donna.
Yeah, Soul Train.
All right. How about a gang for Donna Summer?